So guys, let's look at two compounds. I'll draw their structure. The first one, let's call that one A. I'll draw a structure right here. Right here. This is the first compound. Yeah. So let's do this second one down here. Yeah. So there's something basic we should consider about these two compounds. Let's look at their name. For this compound, 4 carbon atoms are linked. So we say but, and there are single bond between the 4 carbon atoms. So we say ane. So the name of this compound is butane. Now this compound in B also have 4 carbon atoms. But out of the 4 carbon atoms, if you watch, 1, 2, 3, this does not connect with this. So only these 3 right here are linked. Now because only these 3 are linked, we use the name prop. And the ones that are linked have single bond, so we use ane. Now this CH3 down here, is not linked to these 3 carbon atoms, so it becomes a branch chain. So the CH3 is called methyl, and it is attached to the second carbon. So we say 2-methyl propane. Now the beautiful thing about these two compounds is, let's count the amount of carbon. Notice it contains 4 carbons, which is C4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hydrogens. Now this compound, 2-methyl propane, also contain 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons in total. Yeah. And 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10 hydrogen. Now you would understand that they have the same molecular formula, but the structural formula of butane is different from the structural formula of 2-methyl propane, meaning they have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. This phenomenon in chemistry is known as isomerism. So isomerism is a phenomenon whereby 2 or more organic compounds have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. Now, when you think about C4H10, you will look at it and say the first compound that comes to your mind is butane. Hence, we say this butane is N-butane. The N there stands for normal. So we say it is normal butane. And we would say this 2-methyl propane has the same molecular formula as butane. Hence, we say it is an isomer of butane. So we'll call it isobutane. The iso here simply stands for isomer. Hence, I think this kind of summarizes the definition of isomerism. So you could say isomerism is a phenomenon whereby 2 or more organic compounds have the same molecular formula but different structural formula.